Miss Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Last week I bought this NATASHA DENONA Mini Tropic palette and this is so colorful, so beautiful, and I like to use blue, green, purple, lilac shades. So I couldn't stop myself to buy this palette and I created this look. How do you like this look? If you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I did my face makeup. I put some powder here to avoid fallout, and I primed my eyes with tart shape tape and set it with setting powder. So I'm gonna take a tapered blending brush, Sigma E35, take this shade Xena and put it on my lid. So that's gonna be my transition shade. Close your eyes and open your eyes to see your crease. A little bit down here. My transition shade is done for this eye, and I'm gonna do the same thing for my left eye. So first you wanna create the area, then you wanna buff the color little by little. So my next color would be the very vibrant blue shade, which is this, and this is called Laguna. I love this blue color. I'm gonna take my Sigma E44, take this color on tip of my brush. I'm taking a very small amount of eyeshadow and then going like windshield wiper to blend it. You know, wear your eyeshadow the way your eye shape is. If somebody is going like this much high, you don't have to go this much high. Depends on your eye shape, how far you wanna go with your eyeshadow. I'm gonna do the same thing for my left eye. I take a tiny amount of eyeshadow and then I blend it. If you build your eyeshadow gradually, then it will be easy to blend. Don't take a lot of eyeshadow just on the first dip, because that can make you patchy. Take time when you blend your eyeshadow. So what I suggest is when you define your crease, you want to look to the mirror straight so that you can easily see that if your crease looks nice or not. Like if I go a little bit high here, it will look good on my eyes. I'm gonna take the brush E25 that I used for the shade Lilac, Xena, and without any product, I'm gonna wipe the brush on my paper towel, and whatever is left over here, I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna take the shade Exotic. No, this is not Exotic. This is Tigerlily, which is a very, very beautiful navy blue like this. Take the shade and again go on your crease to make it more deep. Now I will take a blending brush, E25, and taking this shade, I put it to my outer V. I'm gonna do the same thing for my left eye. And I'm blending the edges so that it looks more blended. Now that I use a lot of blue on my eyes, so I will use the green shade, this shade, which is called Exotic. I don't know, should I use a damp brush or dry brush? Let's try a dry brush first, and then I will try a damp brush. Oh, so my brush picked up a lot of color already. This is my eye shading brush, Sigma E55. It is performing well. Or if you want, you can use your finger. I like to use my finger on this type of shade, on shimmer shade. Soft cut crease eye look. And the eyeshadow is really great. I don't need to use my setting spray or anything to make the color pop. So I'm really happy about it. I'm blending the edge because it's a soft cut crease. I like to wear colors on my eyes. I mean on my eyelids as eyeshadow. I love colorful eyeshadows. Okay, next I'm gonna go to the shade Mint Frost, which is this, and pop this on my inner corner. Yes. Without setting spray, it is doing well, but I'm using my setting spray and use the color to my inner corner. The brightness. I applied powder on my face to avoid fallout, but I really didn't have any fallout. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to do the same color combination. I will start doing the inner color. So my eyeshadow is done. Now I'm gonna apply liner, mascara, and lashes. Then I will be back. So guys, this is the final look. I applied Huda Beauty Scarlet Lashes, mascara, and liner, and I also added black pencil to my lower lash line and added some gloss. And I'm so happy how the look turned out. What do you think? I tried to create this look using all of these shades of this mini palette, and I'm so happy about this mini palette. I'm happy how they performed on eyes, and I'm happy with the pigment. So that's all for today. Let me know in comments below how do you like this look, and if you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next. Bye.